This 85th video, I speak on colorful plant products health benefits. This is an important topic as far as the health of human beings is concerned. Colorful fruits and vegetables contain nutrients that keep us healthy. According to Beverly Cleveland's, a nutritionist with the US Agricultural Research Services Food Components and Health Laboratories, the colorful fruits and colorful vegetables definitely contain essential nutrients which are very important for maintaining health and respect of the human beings. This is the opinion of the scientist Beverly Cleveland's, a nutritionist. Researchers around the world focus on plant pigments in flowers, fruits, and foliage. According to Mary Ann Leela from North Carolina State University, plants are the masters. They can produce all the essential ingredients which the human beings need for maintaining their health. Definitely, wild plants produce protective compounds to protect themselves, and they pass these protective compounds to human systems also, to human beings also, to the people around us, around the world. Wild plants produce protective compounds, and when the human beings use those plants either in the form of food or in the form of medicines, herbal medicines, definitely these protective compounds produced by the plants pass on to the human beings and protect the human beings. That is the beauty of these plant products. The products, essential and protective ingredients, chemicals produced within the plants, plant systems. That is why in the wild forest, the wild plants grow beautifully and they are well protected by themselves with the kind of chemicals they produce. And human beings also are benefited when these plants are taken by the human beings in the form of medicine, herbal medicine, or food. For instance, chlorophyll, a green colored pigment which is water soluble, which is fat soluble, is green pigment in plant system, and this water soluble chlorophyll harvests light, absorbs light energy from the sunlight, and this energy trapped by the chlorophyll pigment, which is water soluble, will help these plants to utilize this energy, light energy, in the form which is stored in the form of chemical energy in the process what we call photosynthesis, where the food is synthesized, carbohydrates are synthesized from the water and the carbon dioxide. So, in the plant system, in the cellular system of the plant, it's a beautiful process. Photosynthesis is a beautiful process, and this whole process of photosynthesis is initiated by the light energy trapped by the plant pigment, green pigment found in the plants, which is water soluble and helpful in harvesting solar energy and stored in the plant system, in the leaf system, as chemical energy, which is utilized in the conversion of carbon dioxide mixed with water into carbohydrate. So, which is the very important food material not only for the plants but also for the animals. It is a source of food for the animal system also. Carotenoids, they are fat soluble and they are red orange pigments found in the plants, and they are very good antioxidants, and they are helpful to the plants and also animals when the plant is taken, when these pigments are consumed by the animals or the human beings in the form of food. That means when you take the plant parts having carotenoid pigment, that is red orange pigment, which is fat soluble, will act as antioxidants in the human system, in the human beings, and they protect the human beings as antioxidants to as sinks of the free radicals in the human system. And not only that, in plants you find different types of pigments, and these carotenoids, they are which are red, orange or yellow sometimes and fat soluble, they protect the immune system in human beings and the skin tissue in the human beings and also epithelial cells of the human system. And most of the time these carotenoid pigments mean resourced from the plants, the human beings can protect their hearts. That means these carotenoid pigments, when taken in the form of vegetarian food, that is plant food, prevent the heart disease in human beings, and even they prevent cancer also, because they are the sinks of free radicals acting as antioxidants, and they prevent macular degeneration and prevent the loss of vision in human beings. Beautiful plant pigments, anthocyanins, which are water soluble, they are blue purple in color, found in the plant systems. They are when in the plants also they scavenge free radicals, protect plant cells from excess light like UV light. But when the human beings take these pigments, when they consume the plants as in the form of food or herbs, these anthocyanins in the human system promote wound healing, protect against the insulin resistance. See the beauty? In humans, reduces the insulin resistance. That is the beauty. And even reduces the vision disorders also, protects the vision from vision disorders, protects the human beings from vision disorders, protect the human beings from heart diseases. These anthocyanins also protect the human beings when they are taken in the form of plant food, vegetarian food. They protect the human beings from cancer, development of cancer. See how much useful the anthocyanins are for the human beings. And another type of pigment, betalains, which are water soluble plant pigments, that if they are taken in the form of plant tissues, food, herbs by the human beings, they become very powerful antioxidants, because in plant system also when they were there, when these betalains, used to act as antioxidants in the plant system, and when they are consumed, when such plants are consumed having these betalains pigment, in humans also they act as antioxidants to protect the human beings against heart diseases, cancers, ulcers, and liver damage. An important function, important protective function taken up by these betalains in human beings when the plants having these betalain pigments are consumed by the human beings. See the beauty of the plant pigments and their benefits for the human beings. Dear viewers, if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much, dear viewers.